added some Woodubend in this basket weave Woodubend trim onto the top drawers. And this gave the top drawers real texture and interest. It turned out fabulous. I ended up spacing it so it's not side by side. I left spaces in between, just using a ruler, and eyeballed it. Made sure that the Woodubend was put on straight. It's very easy to do. You just heat this trim up with either a blow dryer, hair dryer, or heat gun. And once it's all warm, it's very pliable and very easy to cut. Then using some wood glue, you place it where you want it on your piece and you just glue it down. You could clamp it down, you could hold it down. This is sandable, it's drillable, it's stainable, it's paintable. I just find this Woodubend trim fantastic. And I have a full video on how to apply Woodubend to your painted furniture, and I'll include that in the cards above and also in the description down below.